Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at my Whirlpool dryer. I'll put the model number here, but I think it's pretty similar for a lot of these later models, a lot of these earlier models. And what's going on is it's not spinning. So also it's not stopping when I open the door. So the switch is probably messed up to the door switch, but the way I found out, I came out here, clothes weren't dry, and I was like, oh, maybe we forgot to start it. I go to start it, and it's just doing that, right? And I'm like, okay, that doesn't sound like the normal sound. So then I open it, and nothing's moving. But you see how it also didn't stop, so that's the switch thing. But anyways, first things first, we're going to be safe, and we're going to unplug it because, hey, safety. We don't want to die. Dry clothes aren't worth death. You can't even wear them if you're dead. We're going to get this top off. There are 2 screws here. One and 2. I'm going to pull out this filter. Don't know if it needs to come out. Don't drop your screws. Keep up with them. And then sometimes they just lift up. If it doesn't, it probably is being held in place by the clips, which is a good thing, right? It means your clips are working. You can have any type of flathead screwdriver, paint scraper, whatever you have. All right. You want to stay up? Good. I want to go see about my belt. My belt covers right up. So, as you can see, the belt is clearly broken. Let's see if I can get a good look at it. Let's see, it might have to be in the light. Say hi, babies. So, I don't know if y'all can see them, but there's super fine cracks in there. Yeah, there you go. So, it was time. But in order for us to change the belt, we're going to have to get down underneath. So we're going to take this front panel off. And I believe, looks like there's like a 10 or so right there. And a 10 or so right there. And then I think it just slides on the bottom. Mine is a 5/16. We're going to lift up. Oh, the door clip. Okay, and door clip, we're going to press down on that little tab and pull it apart. And then it comes off. So we went up, so it comes off. Now, of course, a normal, smart person doing this would have taken the clothes out, but it's just a blanket, so it's not very heavy. And we're gonna get underneath. Underneath you can see where the belt would normally be. It would connect to the motor. That's the motor right there. Then this is the regulator where the belt would actually sit. That's another one, another belt. Alright. So you're gonna put it rib side down. So this side's smooth. This side has the ridges. You're gonna put it ridge side facing down. You're gonna slide it on. Lift this up, push it back. Right. And make sure it's on and flat in place at the bottom. Spin it the other way. Be careful because I don't know which way is the right way. And then now we're going to put the cover back on. Alright, and these are the clips. You see how it sticks out right there? And we just have to line that up with those right there. So get this lip up under here and open the door to make it a little easier on us. Get my 2 small screws. After getting the door on, this is the part where I would normally say, you know, put the clip back in, put that clip back in, close it, and test it before you put the last 2 screws in. But I'm pretty confident that this was going to happen, so I'm going to put the screws in now, because Now, the real test. Put it on something. Press start. It seems like I hear movement. I'm gonna open my door because my switch doesn't work. And it's moving.